Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And this is episode 16 of our beginning knitting series. We are almost done. Last week we talked about how to bind off knitwise, which is here. Now we are going to bind off purlwise. So what's the difference? We are on a purl row and we are going to bind off using purls instead of knits. Okay, so this is very similar to last week. We're going to purl one stitch, purl the next stitch, and then we're going to take this stitch and pull it over. Purl the next stitch, take this stitch and pull it over. And it's very similar. Purl one stitch, take the previous stitch, pull it over the top. And actually, you're going to find it's going to look very similar to the other one. Okay. All right. Let's go all the way to the end so we can show you how to finish it. Okay, we are to the last stitch. So we're going to knit this stitch, purl this stitch actually. We're going to purl that stitch, pull over, pass over, and then I forgot my scissors again. So we'll break the yarn and pull that yarn through this last loop. And then you have your purlwise bind off. And you will see it looks very similar to your knitwise. It obviously just goes in the opposite direction. And that is how you do a purlwise bind off. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with somebody that you think it would help.